Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a shade comparison video of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundations in the shade NC45 versus NC46. Both these shades are darker shade category. I thought it would be a great idea to give you a demo on both these shades on my face if you're looking for a MAC foundation out there and if you're confused about the shade selection. I do have a full dedicated review on the MAC Studio Fix Fluid on my channel, so I will put it on the card right on top of the screen and you can go ahead and check out the video if you're interested to know more about the MAC Studio Fix foundation. So this video is purely going to be a shade comparison video, so without wasting any more time, let's jump into the demo section. So guys, as you saw in the intro and the title of this video, this is a foundation shade comparison video. So I'm comparing two shades from MAC Studio Fix Fluid. One is NC45 and the other one is NC46. So both these foundation shades are for dusky complexions. So I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison of both these foundation shades on each of the sides of my face, and we are going to see which of these foundation shades matches me the best. So if you didn't know, the packaging of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid comes in this glass bottle with a rubbery cap, and you don't really get a pump along with this foundation because you do have to buy them separately. Also, I did a similar type of video comparing two shades of Maybelline Fit Me foundation on either side of my face. If you're interested in knowing which Fit Me foundation shade matches me the best, I'll put it on the cards somewhere on the other side of the screen. I don't really know which side it is. So yeah, you can check out the card to know my Fit Me foundation shade. Alright, I'm just gonna begin. So I'm taking the NC45 foundation. Please excuse the messy cap. So I've got the foundation here. This is NC45 and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the foundation on the back of my hand. So this is how NC45 looks like. It's got a lot of golden peachy undertones to it. And the formula of this foundation is like a thick, runny liquid. So I'm just gonna use my finger to dot the foundation on this side of my face. I'm going to take a buffing brush to blend out the foundation. So that's how the NC45 shade looks like on my face. Now I'm going to take the NC46 and again do the same exact thing. I'm just going to pour the foundation out on the back of my hand. So this is how NC46 looks like. Both the shades have a lot of golden and peachy undertones. It's just that the NC46 shade is slightly darker than the NC45 one. I'm just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take the foundation and apply it on the right side of my face. I'm using the same buffing brush to blend the foundation out. So that is how NC46 looks on the right side of my face. So now I'm just going to put on the rest of the makeup and get back to you and talk more about these shades. So guys, I'm back with the rest of the makeup. So this side is NC45 and this side is NC46. Coming to the comparison of both the shades, so NC45 is a slightly lighter shade than the NC46 shade. The NC45 shade is a very good match if I want to match the color to the color of my neck. It is not exactly the color of my face, but it matches my neck and body perfectly because my face is slightly darker than the rest of my body. So yeah, that is that about NC45. Now coming to NC46, this is a slightly lighter shade than NC45. This matches my skin color on the face perfectly. So the thing about NC46 is that since it is a close match for my color on the face, it helps in counteracting the pigmentation on the face better than NC45. It doesn't really go very well with the color of my neck, but if I match it to my face, it is the perfect shade. So I go for the shade NC46 whenever I have a bit of a tan or during the summers, because that's when my skin tends to get slightly darker, and I wear NC45 during the winters because that's when my skin gets slightly paler. But apart from that, I honestly can pull off both the shades on myself because the difference is really minute. You really can't see a difference when you look at my face. They actually look quite similar. It's a very tiny difference. The NC45 shade is very slightly lighter than my own face skin color. I'm a kind of person who prefers a foundation shade to be exactly matched to the color of my skin tone or slightly darker than my own complexion because like I mentioned, I do have hyperpigmentation issues on my skin. So a good match on my complexion or a slightly darker shade of foundation really helps in evening out all those areas on my face. So I mostly go ahead and use the shade NC46 on me because my skin concern is such that the NC46 shade manages to even out my skin tone better. So when I look at myself under any lighting or even under sunlight, both these shades look great on me. They don't really look pale or anything. The only time when you could see a real difference is when it comes to flash photography. You can see a very tiny difference with the NC45 shade because it can look slightly washed out in flash photography. Again, I'm just picking out the tiniest details possible from both these shades, so the difference is very minute. So that was the shade comparison between the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC45 versus NC46. I know there is a ton of shades to choose from the Studio Fix Fluid range from MAC, so it can be quite confusing when it comes to the numbering of these foundations. It's kind of difficult to choose the shade ranges online, so I thought I will show you a reference. Honestly, I can pull off both the shades on my complexion. They work pretty well on me. NC45 and NC46 works great on dusky category skin tones, so you can check these shades out if you take my skin tone as a reference. So that was the shade comparison of MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC45 and NC46. I really hope that you guys found this video useful and helpful. I know a few of you requested this video on the comment section, and I thought it's a great idea to give you a demo on screen as well. Honestly, I really like the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation. It's a very good foundation from the high-end category. This is a beautiful foundation. It looks amazing on the skin, doesn't look artificial or makeup-y on the skin, and photographs very well, gives a beautiful finish to your skin, and I just absolutely love this foundation. It stays on forever as well, so it's great and it works on all skin types. If you want to know more about the MAC Studio Fix foundation, the performance, the texture and the application, etc., I have a dedicated video on the Studio Fix Fluid from MAC, so I'll put it on the cards on top of the screen. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.